Without warning, a can in the water and carbon in the air can contribute to the main issue that harms our environment all around. Suddenly, with so much new information given to us, we now have the power and ability to make a change in our home, and a change to our home planet. What will not be talked about in this video? Welcome to World Pollution. Is this thing on? Okay.
Hello class of 2017, 16, 15, and 14? So, what is world pollution? Well, to begin, what is pollution itself? The word pollution means the presence in or introduction into the environment of a substance or thing that has harmful or poisonous effects. World pollution is the combination of more than one type of pollution there is in the globe, all contributing to do one thing.
Destroy!
Fun fact, there are actually 7 different types of kinds of pollutions. Most people can just name air, water, and land. But, do you know the other 4? Or examples of what constitute actual pollution in each category? In this video, we will talk about the 7 main types of pollution there are in the world and give you brief and thorough information about it so that you can maybe change something that's been going around your house that shouldn't be? Who knows? So, without further delays, let's check it out.
According to our dictionary, air pollution is a contamination of air by smoke and harmful gases, mainly oxides of carbon, sulfur, and nitrogen. How have humans caused this problem? Well, some examples of air pollution include exhaust fumes from our vehicles, the burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, or gas, harmful off-gassing from things such as paint, plastic production, and so on, and radiation spills or nuclear accidents. Air pollution is actually linked to asthma, allergies, and other respiratory illnesses. Plus, it's like an insect killer killing our birds that fly in the air. Miserable, isn't it? But some ways to reduce air pollution are conserving energy, e.g., turn off appliances and lights when you leave the room, buying rechargeable batteries for any devices that are used frequently, and when possible, use public transportation, walk, or ride a bike. Question 1. When not used properly, what item commonly used in winter has an effect which is not good for our air quality? A. Beanies. B. Wood heaters. C. Gas heaters. Or D. Warm and woolly jumpers. Now, land pollution is the degradation of Earth's surface caused by misuse of resources and improper disposal of waste. Some examples of land pollution include litter found on the side of the road, illegal dumping in natural habitats, oil spills that happen inland, the use of pesticides and other farming chemicals, and damage and debris caused from unsustainable mining and logging practices. Land pollution is responsible for damage done to natural habitat of animals, deforestation, and damage done to natural resources, and a general uglying up of our communities. One way to reduce this pollution is picking up garbage and preventing garbage from being on the floor. Duh. Question 2. What material do you think we throw away the most? A. Glass. B. Plastic. C. Aluminum. Or D. Paper. Yes, there is light pollution. And that pollution is the brightening of the night sky, inhibiting the visibility of stars and planets by the use of improper lighting of communities. Some examples of what causes light pollution are street lamps that shine light in all directions instead of with a hood to point light downward toward the street, and unnecessary lights, especially around the home. Light pollution uses more energy by shining more light up instead of down, may affect human health and our sleep cycles, and most importantly, believe it or not, corrupts our kids' telescopes and their curiosity. One way to reduce this pollution is by turning off unnecessary lights, and I don't know what else. Question 3. Which of the following are misconceptions about light pollution? A. Light at night prevents crime. B. Light pollution is not really pollution because it goes away if you turn off the lights. C. Light pollution is only a problem for astronomers. Or D. All of the above. Noise pollution. I know, right? Noise pollution? It's crazy as it sounds. Is any loud sounds that are either harmful or annoying to humans and animals. Some examples of noise pollution include airplanes, helicopters, and motor vehicles, construction or demolition noise, and human activities such as sporting events or concerts. Noise pollution is disruptive to humans' stress levels, may be harmful to unborn babies, and drives away animals, causing nervousness and decreasing their ability to hear prey or predators, which can also lead to disaster. Several ways to solve noise pollution is by turning down loudspeakers when it's not a good time to use them, limiting the volume you have when listening to music in your earbuds, and not being such a loud person. I think. Question 4. Which of the following is a way you can avoid noise pollution? A. Wear earplugs when you go to concerts or loud events. B. Avoid listening to music through headphones or headsets at unsafe levels. C. Wear earplugs when you're using power equipment such as lawnmowers and leaf blowers. Or D. All of the above. Next up, thermal pollution. This pollution is the increase of temperature caused by human activity. Wait, that's us. Some examples include warmer lake water from nearby manufacturing, and the increase in temperatures in areas with lots of concrete or vehicles, generally in cities. This pollution can cause aquatic life to suffer or die due to increased temperature, can cause discomfort to communities dealing with higher temperatures, and can even affect plant life in and around the area. One way to reduce this pollution is by taking colder baths. Colder baths. Question 5. Thermal pollution results primarily from A. Manufacturing, B. Power generation, C. Heating, or D. Irrigation. Now, what in this whole wide world is visual pollution? Well, visual pollution is what you would call anything unattractive or visual damage to a nearby landscape. This tends to be a highly suggestive topic, as we find all the different things attractive and unattractive. Examples of visual pollution are skyscrapers that might block the view of mountains, graffiti or carving on trees, rocks, or other natural landscapes, billboards, litter, abandoned homes, and junkyards. Visual pollution is mostly annoying, although some may say that they are also depressing, such as when they can't see a view through a billboard. One way we can prevent this pollution is not carve on trees, and possibly clean up unwanted graffiti, and tidy up our homes. Wait, what? Question 6. Which is not an effect of visual pollution? A. Distraction. B. Eye improvement. C. Decreases in opinion diversity. Or D. Loss of identity. I think the majority of us know what water pollution is, so let our images do some of the talking. That's enough. But, for those who don't know, some examples of water pollution are raw sewage running into lakes or streams, industrial waste spills contaminating groundwater, radiation spills and nuclear accidents, illegal dumping of substances or items in bodies of water, and biological contamination such as bacteria growth. This pollution is linked to health issues in humans, animals, and plant life, but mostly animals and plant life. There are many ways to reduce this pollution, like avoid mixing waste and garbage in ponds, lakes, rivers, and seas. Avoid using chemicals around water, and simply don't waste water. Final question. How much of the water on Earth is available as fresh water for drinking? A. 100%, B. 50%, C. 25%, or D. 1%.
That's all there is to it, fellow students. Remember, to make our home a better place, we can't try to stop these 7 types of pollution on our own. We always really need to try to work together to get through this. Because
everything is awesome.